Hey, it's John, and today we are changing the oil on the Ranger Raptor. Stay tuned and go wheel. All right, first we're gonna take off the skid plate for the engine, and hopefully that gets us to the engine oil pan. And all right, pretty straightforward right here. These are the two backmost bolt holes, and those bolts gotta come all the way out. These two front guys, you just loosen them, and then you slide that thing out the back. And you can see right here, it's kind of hard to see, but it's the engine oil drain plug because the transmission's back behind it. I didn't jack up the vehicle. I'm just kind of squeezing under. I'm gonna see if I can get some light under here. Let's just see how the hell this works. 7 quarts is a lot to pick up. Never done this before, so bear with me while I figure it out. Ooh, nice and comes off nice and easy. Oil catch can for it. Okay. So we got the replacement, one of these to replace this guy. I'm gonna wanna coat that O-ring in some oil when the time comes. I guess I over-ordered these, whatever, because I guess the filter comes with these. That was kind of stupid. I had watched a video where a guy said to order these separately, but I guess you don't need to. It's interesting because this O-ring is kind of crumbling apart and it's black underneath the red. I don't understand the reasoning, to be honest. Okay, the gloves are making it like impossible to grab traction on this. Okay, so that's on. I'll try to get these off without screwing everything up too bad. Wow, they don't. These are way easier to get off. All right. Hella weird is there's like a ton of hair in there. It's the second piece of hair that I've seen in there. That's weird. Filter housing's on. You do not want to over torque that filter housing either, just because it's made out of plastic, just like in my Wrangler. Super scary, and I mean, you can kind of see through there's a little window under some of the hoses where you can see that thing hitting and sealing. I'm gonna put the plug in next on the bottom. Let's go down there. And I'm like, I don't want that to ever get brittle. I don't. Okay.
I'm glad it's easy.
Is that it? Oh, God. It scares the living crap out of me. That's just all it is, though. Gave the dealer my VIN number, and they gave me the synthetic blend, and they said that's the oil tied to the VIN number. 2. 3. I saw some other guy on YouTube who said that you got to put your foot on the brake and the gas at the same time while you crank it for 10 seconds. I'm just gonna double check. We got the oil filter in there. We got the oil filled up. I wonder if it'll let me crank it with the hood up. Find out, I guess. Well, all right. Oh, you can't see anything down there, but the foot. The oil isn't leaking out, because that would be scary. And I think we can see. I mean, it looks dry to me. I mean, that's really it. I'll put the skid plate back on next. Although I do have a rival 4x4 transmission skid that's ready to go on, so I might actually do that next. So, you know, I don't know, subscribe to the channel if you want, because you won't miss that video that way, and I'd appreciate it if you watched it. So I might leave that off for the moment while I get that thing unboxed. See you guys on the next video.